Geographic Technologies Group is pleased to offer a new ArcGIS server solution, Geo Blade Routing. This routing blade is perfect for any local government organization in need of a state-of-the-art routing solution. Geo Blade Routing is a blade that runs in conjunction with GTG's Geo Blade Viewer application. Geo Blade Viewer includes an additional functionality when the routing blade is incorporated. This functionality can be utilized by clicking on the Find Route button on the viewer interface. When using Geo Blade Routing, users have the option to search for a route by point or by address. You also have the option of point-to-point routing or multi-point routing. In point-to-point routing, you can choose to generate a route that will take you from point A to point B. If you choose multi-point routing, the application will incorporate the most optimal route, which will take you from one location to another, then onto another. This is a convenient option if you have multiple locations that you need to visit on a particular day. This option avoids the inconvenience of calculating a new route each time you travel to another location. Geo Blade Routing can also generate a route when given an address as a destination. If multiple points are generated by entering that particular address, you can choose the correct address from a result set. When the address is entered into the application, the most optimal route to that location will be produced. Geo Blade Routing has the ability to run single route or multi-route calculations. It can return the fastest route, the shortest route, an alternate route, or all route options. This is beneficial if you would like to get to a location quickly or if you want to avoid a particular area of town. Geo Blade Routing has the ability to route against street maps. This allows the application to calculate speed limits, one-way streets, and other considerations when determining the most optimal route. This application also has the ability to generate maps using a network analyst service. If an organization maintains its own GIS data that can be utilized, you may want to consider this option. Geo Blade Routing has the ability to take result sets from spatial or tabular queries and generate a route based on that result set. For example, if you are providing maintenance services to all of the fire facilities in your jurisdiction, you can generate a result set of all of the fire facilities using the core Geo Blade Viewer. After that result set has been generated, you can convert each item into a destination point to be utilized by the routing blade. This will create a multi-point route displaying the most optimal way to visit each facility. You can choose the shortest route or the fastest route if you so choose. With Geo Blade Routing, you can determine a starting point, an intermediate point, or a destination point by simply clicking on the mapping interface. The application can reverse geocode or determine the nearest physical address to the XY coordinate that you have indicated. By doing this, you can add points to your route. The points can then be reordered so you can visit each location in the order that you choose. For the most efficient route, Geo Blade Routing can reorder the points to generate the most optimal route for your scenario. After you determine the route you want to take, Geo Blade Routing will generate step-by-step directions. A panel will appear on the left-hand side of the screen displaying these directions, including the distances and estimated times of each segment of the route. If you'd like to focus on a particular segment of your route, you can zoom in using Geo Blade Routing's easy-to-use toolset. By zooming in, you can view a more detailed segment of the route. Zooming into each segment will break down your route turn by turn. Zooming out will allow you to view your entire route as a whole. When you're finished viewing your route, you have the option to save the route to view it at a later time, or you can print your route. If you choose to print, the route will print in PDF format. Saving the route for later use can be extremely useful if you'll be traveling the same route multiple times. By saving the route for later use, you will save valuable time in the field. As you can see, Geo Blade Routing offers a state-of-the-art routing solution. Its convenient features, along with its many options for customizing your route to suit your needs, make this application the best choice for anyone considering implementing a GIS routing solution.